This Cadillac XT5 has a strong gas V6 3.6 liters/engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power UltraView double-sized glass roof that opens over first row, tilt sliding with express open and power sunshade, wheels, 18x8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, bright machined faced with light argent accents, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD. Packages that make driving the Cadillac XT5 Luxury AWD an experience. Luxury preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, LPO, sport pedal cover set, brushed aluminum with rubber inserts, LPO, all-weather floor mats, jet black, leather seating surfaces with mini perforated inserts, with lunar brushed aluminum trim, headlamps, LED, includes, T4Y, front park and cornering lamps, harbor blue metallic, engine, 3.6 liters V6, DI, VVT, with automatic stop/start, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts, at 6,600 revolutions per minute, 271 pounds-to-foot of torque, 366 Nm, at 5,000 revolutions per minute, STD, engine block heater, climate control, TRI zone automatic with individual climate settings for driver, right front passenger and rear passengers, includes rear air vents, includes, KA6, heated rear seats, Cadillac user experience with embedded navigation, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color information, display, 4 USB ports, 2 auxiliary power outlets, auxiliary input jack, enhanced voice recognition and phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, connected apps and team driver, wireless charging. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or Qi compatible mobile device. Some phones have built-in wireless charging technology and others require a special adapter/back cover. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see CADILLAC-TotalConnect.ca or consult your carrier. Wipers, front intermittent, rain sense with moisture detection, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, acoustic laminated, windshield and front door glass, windows, power front express up and down, rear express down and comfort open, auto express down via key fob. Visit us today for a must-own Cadillac XT5. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia D9T3L3. Just minutes away.